What was the other thing we were going to say?
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Hey everybody, welcome to Retired Renovators, our YouTube channel that shows the restoration of the house that my husband Gary and I are working on. You can hear him in the background ripping out some walls and posts. Okay, so the big brick house is an interesting house. It's a little over 100 years old, but I think it was an old working house. So it was a boarding house, it was converted to apartments. It was never a fancy house, so there wasn't a lot of fancy things left in it. You know, all the trim was gone. It just not a lot of stuff to save. We're saving things that we feel like we can save. So today I wanted to talk just a few minutes about uses for old doors, like this one here. We have a bunch of old doors that came with the house, and we took some time trying to figure out whether they could be used as doors, but then we realized you can use doors for other things as well. So let me show you some of the things that we've used these old doors for. Here. Oh. So one thing we're going to use these doors, we saved a couple of these doors that are in pretty good shape, and they're clean lines and a lot of nice wood. We've got some closets here in the living room that we're going to be building. We're going to use the doors inside the closet for lining the doors, for lining the closet, so they become the walls. So that's kind of cool, right? In our workshop, we used all sorts of things for the walls. And in this one closet, we were using drywall, and we ran out of drywall, and we didn't want to buy any more because it was just a utility closet. And so we decided to take one of the doors and put it in that open space and secure it all in there. We kept the hardwood. It looks like a door, except it doesn't open. So it's a wall, and it's just a fun thing to look at when you walk in there and then realize it's actually not a door. One of the walls of the workshop was shiplap, and we ran out of shiplap and didn't want to buy any more. And so we took one of the doors and cut them up to fit the bottom of the wall. It looks sort of like fancy trim. I painted it white, and it looks like we did that on purpose, even though it was just a fluke. If you could take just a moment and hit the subscribe button, we'd really appreciate it. It's free, it doesn't cost you anything, it helps with our YouTube analytics, and it's just nice to know that someone has seen our videos at least for a second. So appreciate, we won't come after you, we won't do anything, just hit the subscribe. Thanks a lot. One of the most surprising things to us about these doors was that even though the doors could be really in bad shape, the actual wood of them was pretty good. So we realized we could just use them as wood scraps, and we sawed them up and used them for all sorts of things. Great idea. No doors here. Just wanted to show you that we are making progress on the house. We're starting to do the brickwork, and that's coming up on the next video. So make sure you subscribe so you can follow our progress.